Are you on dating apps and you cast your net too wide and too deep, hoping anyone will respond when you reach out to them with a wink or a like or even a text message? If this is happening to you, post in the comments what's been your result and how frustrated you are with doing it that way. My name's Elizabeth Tritsch, and I'm a date attraction expert, and I'm going to teach you how to niche down to find your love. I know what you're thinking. It's scary if I'm specific about who I am and the person I'm looking for. Won't I be missing out on everyone else? And I'm going to give it to you straight. Yes, you will. You'll be missing out on a lot of people. But isn't that what you want? Do you want to be spinning your wheels, wasting your time, wasting your energy, and growing more and more frustrated because you're not connecting with the right ones? Why cast your net wide and deep when you only need one? Why fish in the pool of sharks and minnows when you're really desiring a striped bass or a halibut, or maybe even a lobster? You wouldn't fish for bluefin tuna in the Pacific, nor would you look for the yellowfin tuna in the Atlantic. And why is that? Because they're not there. Therefore, your ideal partner, your love interest, isn't going to be found where everyone else is. Your long-term life mate is going to be right where you spend the majority of your time. If you're into philanthropy or giving back, that's where you're going to find your ideal partner. If you're into sports or physical activities, look there for your ideal partner. If you enjoy cooking, or maybe you're into Marie Kondoing everything, do you really want to meet someone who doesn't value food or someone who's completely disastrously messy? When you're ready to niche down and you get specific about who you are and the type of person you prefer to be with, that person will show up. Would you like to learn more? If so, you can go to my website at daretodatedifferently.com and sign up for my newsletter. You'll also receive tips on how to date while socially distancing. When you're ready, willing, and able for a heart-centered, supportive, and encouraging coach who gets results, go ahead and book a discovery call with me. My intention is to help you attract, date, and create your ideal relationship intentionally with pleasure and fun. If you enjoy this video, I encourage you to subscribe, like, and share with your like-minded friends. Why should you find the one that's meant for you and your friends be left out in the cold?